In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in Microsoft Word, which can really enhance your document organization and streamline your formatting process. Grouping objects in Word can be a game changer, especially if you're dealing with intricate layouts or a large number of images and shapes. Let's dive right into it, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll have these steps down to a fine art. First things first, you'll want to open up the Microsoft Word file where you have the objects you wish to group. Make sure your document is ready for editing and that everything is laid out just the way you want it. If you haven't already created the objects or inserted the images you plan to group, go ahead and do that now. Once your Word file is up and running, you can begin selecting the objects you're interested in grouping together. Now, selection is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to get it right to avoid any mistakes that might disrupt your layout. For this demonstration, let's use images as an example, though the process is much the same for other objects like text boxes or shapes. You'll want to click on the first object you wish to include in your group. Then hold down the Shift key and use the left mouse button to click on any additional objects you want to select. Holding the Shift key ensures that all your selected objects are highlighted one at a time, making it easier to manage and confirm that everything you need is included. With all your objects selected, the next step involves right-clicking on any of the highlighted objects. Look for the option that says Group in the context menu that appears. Click on it, and just like that, your selected objects are now grouped together. This grouping allows you to move them as a single unit, which can be incredibly convenient when you're trying to maintain a specific layout or when needing to effortlessly reposition multiple items within your document. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to group objects in Microsoft Word. By mastering this technique, you can significantly enhance your efficiency and agility in document creation and modification. Remember, grouping is not just limited to images. You can include various shapes and text boxes, essentially anything that can be selected. This essentially unlocks a new way to handle complex designs with ease. Thank you for joining me in this short tutorial. Hopefully, you found these steps easy to follow and you're now ready to apply this method in your work. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Office tools. Until next time, happy editing. Happy Sen.